Real estate professionals, get ready to improve your lead generation with PropStream Intelligence Foreclosure Factor. This AI-driven feature predicts the likelihood of a foreclosure on a property, giving you the edge when targeting motivated sellers. When searching for leads, apply a market, then go into our filter menu and look for PropStream Intelligence. From here, locate Foreclosure Factor. If you're looking for properties that are likely to foreclose, I would recommend selecting the range of medium high to very high from the minimum and maximum dropdowns. Foreclosure Factor utilizes a variety of data and AI-powered algorithms to predict a property's likelihood of going into default. The grading scale ranges from very low to very high. The higher the score, the more likely the property will default within the next 12 months. Once you've built to your list, remember, you can save them and add them to a marketing list. Once you do that, you can even export this data. Simply go to My Properties, select your list, then all of the properties within the list, followed by selecting the Export button. The cool thing is by default, the Foreclosure Factor will automatically be available in your export. So log in now to start generating better foreclosure leads quicker and easier than ever before.